Hi beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel Natural Beauty by Jackie Ann. Kindly watch this video to the end. I am going to show you what happened when I wore a face mask with makeup. For now, let me teach you how I do my eyebrows. The first thing I do is make sure my face is moisturized. I tone, then cleanse, then use a moisturizer. I kind of did lipstick and now I'll just do my eyebrows. The first thing I use is an eyebrow pencil. This is a dark brown eyebrow pencil, and I'm gonna use this to fill in. Always make sure you are using a well sharpened eyebrow pencil. I fill lightly at the beginning, and then towards the end I darken my eyebrows. This is how I teach my makeup students how to do eyebrows for themselves and their clients, and this is how I also do eyebrows for myself. The second tool I use is an angle brush. I'll bring it closer so that you see it. It has a slant, and that's why we call it an angle brush. The second tool I'll use is a concealer. I use a slightly lighter concealer than my skin color on the bottom. Just take a good amount of concealer, place it at the edge of your angle brush and outline under your eyebrow. That's the arc. Once you reach the arc, you go down. Make sure once you reach the arc, you're very careful with how the curve goes down. Make sure you're not shaking. And then with the same angle brush, push the concealer downwards. Once you've managed to fade out the concealer as you're going down, take the lighter concealer and apply some on your eyelid so that the skin on your eyelid matches the skin below your eyebrows. And then I'm gonna use a brush that looks like a foundation brush, but it's tiny and it will perfectly fit your eyelid area, and spread out the color evenly all over your lid. Once you're done, you take a darker concealer, which is, I would recommend something closer to your skin color, and take a preferable amount, apply it on the edge of the angle brush, and make sure your hand is above your face so that when you look at the mirror you see exactly what you're doing. Don't do this because you won't see what you're doing. Kind of put the brush above your eyebrow so that you see exactly what you're doing, and that way you have really good control of your brush. So use that concealer and go over the edge of the shaded eyebrow. Once this is the arc, the part where you come up slightly and ascend down and descend, sorry, not ascend. This is the part where you ascend up and descend, that is called the arc. So to create a more natural look on your eyebrows, make sure your arc is not too curved. Just curve it a bit to give your face some shape. Once you're done, push the extra concealer upwards. With makeup, less is more, okay? And take the concealer brush. The concealer brush is the brush that looks like a foundation brush. A foundation brush, let me show you a foundation brush. I seem to have put my foundation brush far, but a foundation brush is slightly more volumed compared to this one. So this is the concealer brush, and you're gonna use the concealer brush, okay, and kind of push some of the shaded eyebrow pencil towards the center of your face, okay. And then once you're done, you take the concealer that matches the color of your skin and push it down the middle of your forehead, okay. Now let me do the other eye. Now I'm done with both of my eyebrows. I would like to give you a few points to consider while doing your eyebrows. 1. Use clean hands. Especially now that we have coronavirus around, it is very important to use clean hands before you do your makeup. Number 2, use a set of clean tools. Every time you use tools with products, it's bound to have an effect on your end product. Number 3, have enough lighting when doing your eyebrows. It doesn't have to be artificial lighting, it could be natural lighting, but make sure you have enough lighting. Number 5, stand as close as you can to the mirror so that you see exactly what you're doing, and that will allow you to have detailed eyebrows. Now, I'd like to show you what happened when I wore powder, foundation, and lipstick and had my mask on for a few hours. This is what happened. Okay, so like when you're doing makeup and you're planning to wear a face mask, if you don't want makeup products on your face mask, just do your eyebrows, moisturize your face, and you're good to go. You can wear your face mask. If at all you want to do your full makeup, that's okay, but be prepared to have a face mask with some product. The products I used on this day were matte, including the lipstick, so this is what happened, and I just wanted to let you guys know what would happen if you wore makeup and a face mask for a couple of hours. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel, Natural Beauty by Jackie Ann. On our next video, we are going to learn how I normally take care of myself while I'm on quarantine. Please comment on the section below. I'd like to hear what you guys think of these videos. Thank you, and bye.